Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Coco and today I will be showing you how to achieve this super quick, easy Valentine's Day look. I apologize for being out of frame. I didn't realize until I started editing the video, so please bear with me. I started with the taupe color all over my eyelids as a base color. I used a light pinkish coral color to define my eyes by shading the outer V and blending inwards. I mixed two coral shades to blend the eyeshadows for a seamless look. To define my eyes a little more, I used an angled eyeliner brush dipped into brown eyeshadow to draw a small wing. I decided to use eyeshadow instead of eyeliner because I wanted to create a sweeter, softer look. To make my eyes stand out, I used a pink coral shimmery shade in the center of my eyes. I filled in my lash line using a little bit of black eyeshadow to help me blend my false lashes. For this look, I decided to go with a pair of flirty lashes to complement the look. The lashes I'm using are called Soie from Kiss Lashes. No idea if I'm saying that right. My favorite foundation is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I personally like a full coverage look, so I will be using a foundation brush to spread out the product and then use a beauty blender to blend in the rest. Using a beauty blender to blend in the rest also helps me take off the excess foundation. For a little bit of extra coverage under my eyes, I will be using two different shades of concealer. I like to wait about 30 seconds to 45 seconds for my concealer to dry a little bit before blending it out. I find that this gives me the most coverage and most brightening effect. Since I do tend to get really oily throughout the day, I like to set my face using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Since my brows take forever, I'm going to do them off camera. Now use your favorite bronzer to sculpt your face and define your features. Don't forget to highlight the high points of your face. I like to highlight the center of my nose and a little bit of my cheekbones. Since I will be out all day, I decided to use some MAC Fix Plus to melt my makeup together and help it last all night. To prep my lips, I used my Dior chapstick, which has a little bit of a tint. Last but not least, I'm using a nudish pinkish lip liner to line my lips and my favorite lip butter. And this completes the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye!